Welcome to the Skelton Report. I'm Mark Nathaniel Skelton. Today, we're going to be discussing water and brain health. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for this info and more like it. Now, today's knowledge will be coming from this book, How the Brain Works, The Facts Visually Explained. Pretty cool book about the brain and how it works. I can put a link in the description below. But let's go ahead and dive in and learn more about the benefits of water and the brain. All right, so first of all, we have to realize physically that the brain is 73% water, while the body as a whole is closer to 60%. The average brain contains around 35 fluoro ounces or 1 liter of water. So realize first off that the brain consists of basically 3/4 water. Now we can look at this as brain fuel as well. Like any other organ, the human brain needs a constant supply of water and nutrients to maintain its health and to supply energy for efficient functioning. Brain cells need adequate hydration, which is a fancy way of saying water supply, in order to work properly. Studies have shown that dehydration can impair or mess up our ability to focus, concentrate, think, perform mental tasks, and it can negatively impact or affect our memory. Some of our water intake comes from the food we consume, but it is helpful to drink several glasses of water, not pops or sugary drinks, people. I say this out of love, but water each day to maintain a healthy level of hydration. And speaking of hydration, this leads to the sensation or conversation around thirst. Now, when water levels in the body drop, salt levels in the blood increases. Thirst areas in the brain detect this rising salt level and signals to the body to increase water levels, and it does this by reducing urine output and taking in more fluids. So after drinking, it takes around 15 minutes before salt concentration levels in the blood return to normal. It is thought that the gulping action of the throat when swallowing liquids sends signals to stop drinking. Now, how do you know you're dehydrated or hydrated? Well, the most obvious symptoms of dehydration are a dry mouth and eyes and perhaps a slight headache. So if you're experiencing that, maybe first just drink some water. Another good way to tell is by the color of your urine. It should be pale yellow at full hydration, and a darker amber color shows severe dehydration. Adults should take in around 3/2 to 4 pints of fluids a day. All right, let's bring it back in. Now this pints, if we can make this real, this is 1 liter, one of these larger Fijis. So you want to drink about 2 to 2.5 of these a day. All right, so that's the moral of the story. Drink more water. I hope that blessed you as it did to me. Remember, the more that you learn, the more that you earn. That's all I got, and I'll catch you on the next go around. Peace.